Hi everyone. It's April 29th. It's a Wednesday. I know supposed to have things out for you guys on Monday, but it's been a very difficult task for me. Not in the direction of where we're going, but how I'm going to convey it to you guys. I had the lessons. I just don't know if you guys are understanding the information, if it's the best way to do it. And one of my goals is that I wasn't going to give you guys a new program each week. Now, I know that we've done Google Docs, Google Slides. Those are some that you're very familiar with. Most of you guys have done Paradox before and also Flipgrid. Um, I think one of the best ways to convey the rest of the information, because this is difficult, and I know that some of you guys have given me feedback on the last assignment about that it was a little difficult to do, and I get that. So I have a program, and I'm a little upset because I've used it before, and it's a very good program called CK12. Some of you guys may be familiar with it, some of you guys may not. So I'm going to switch screens, and you should have received an email like this from me. Now my internet is running very slow, so I'm going to be pausing and coming back. So when it's coming up. And I sent you an email to enroll into this. Not every assignment is going to be this way, but I'm going to rely heavily on this program just because it gives you a tutorial, a video, sometimes some programs, and also it self-checks you. So those are the four things that I really like about this. It has some dashboards that are easy to go through. The bad thing about this is that it's highly reliant. So if you're not having the best, not so much internet connection, because it does do that, but if you don't have internet at home, and there's an app, so that's pretty cool. So you can go onto your cell phone and get this. That it might not be as successful, but just please let me know. Communication is always the key. So go ahead and click on this. And I pinky promise with my fingers crossed behind my back that I'm going to not add anything else, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the last program that I use. Okay. So you should have something that pops up like this. I'm going to go back here and you'll enter this code and that goes into my classroom. Now, the cool thing about this is that it is on my Google Classroom. So you can see all what it looks like on my side. It's real fancy, teacher side. And I still like to go to the classwork side. Um, and since you guys got that email, you make sure that you go get logged in, put that verification code. So you see that you kind of may have to do this each time. And my internet's a little slow today. I'm going to go ahead and pause. Oh, there it is. So this is what it looks like. Right here on the side, I'm going to go ahead and trash that. There's a few things that you can do. You can highlight. You can go and make sure that each of those, I will go through each of these lessons with you guys. Now you can go highlight and make sure. You can add a note and say, this is the best way to learn chemistry. Okay, and then you save it, and that's on your end. I'm sure that I can add some things on there. Okay. I've already assigned this to you, so it wouldn't matter. There's also going to be just a little practice on the side here. And just to keep up with me because I'll probably each time that you guys can go through, you'll be able to do that. And just let you know. All right, it's good to see you all. I hope that this isn't too much of an inconvenience. I just think it would be an easy way to go through. On top of this, I get to know if you did it or not. So, and if you're struggling, okay? So please email me at skoffman@tps501.org or come see us any weekday, 9:30 to 10:30 at Zoom. All right? Hasta luego.